Yo, what's up, guys? So today we are fixing my Stihl chainsaw. I just bought this for like $5 at a yard sale. Actually, I'm pretty sure $28, and they said it would run. So, and it came all apart, so that's kind of weird. So I'm gonna fix it. Or I did already a bit of the work. Okay. For some reason, this does not want to go in. Oh. That is weird. Oh, screw it. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna get it running. Set of the bar and everything on it. This is another saw I bought. They said it didn't run, so they sold it to me for $5. Okay, so let's just try free pulling it. So let's just pull it a couple times. Well, that's cool. Okay, well, I'll give it a few more. So now that I know it runs, I can fix it, put a whole bunch of stuff on it. So I guess I didn't even have to get that one running. Okay, so they said this one might run. Oh, what time are we at? Okay. They said this one might run, but they're not positive. They haven't started it in a while. Okay, that's nice. Let's try it. Let's trick the spark plug, because I haven't put anything in on these yet. Ooh, that does not look nice. That's not a good plug range. Here, I'll just try it a few more times. See if it works. Here, wait. Nope, doesn't want to start. Okay, well, I'm going to do a bit more tinkering with this one and then... Okay, we're at 2 minutes. Okay, well this still doesn't sound like it's idling quite right, so I'll start and tinker with it a bit. Okay, I need more gas. Ooh, okay, I just want to burn that gas out. Anyways, I just put fresh gas in this one, so I'll take it out of this, put it in that. Okay, hose. Hose, where's the hose? Oh, I don't know where the hose is. Bone dry. Damn. I'm surprised she even started. Okay, like, where's the hose? I'm just gonna go into the other part of my shed and grab it. Oh, wait. Yeah, I'll be back in a second. couldn't find a hose, but I got a bit of gas. Ooh, that smells great. Love the smell of fresh gas in the afternoon. Okay, just give me a few seconds. Damn, that's 1 tank of gas. Pretty good. If you guys didn't know, I have my Harley Davidson jacket on. Pretty damn dope. So I'll start it up a few more times, see how she runs and everything. And I gotta go back inside, my phone's dying. Okay. Ooh yeah, just gonna send it. Just gonna send it. Really? You're gonna have to do priming? Damn it. Oh, forgot. Oop. Oh. Love to smell it fresh in the morning. Stays running. So she stays running and everything, so that's all good. And I think that's the end of my video for right now, boys. And girls, I guess. But see you in the next one. Play the intro, I don't have one.